Hey guys, I'm here at Jing Money Salon at Resorts World and we're getting our makeovers for Talk Back and You're Dead.
Siguradong matutuwa ang fans and supporters ng phenomenal hit movie ng Dayo ng Pangit dahil opisyal na nagsimula ang Talk Back and You're Dead. At isa na dyan ang naganap na makeover para sa pelikula courtesy of Jing Money Salon.
Ang peg ko naman for the movie, medyo mas mahaba. So, extensions, pero medyo matatagalan pa. Later pa, pero after this, we're on the way back to the Viva office. Tapos, tatry naman namin yung mga looks namin. Full.
Makeover pa lang ay ramdam na ang excitement nina James, Nadine, and Yasi para sa kanilang bagong pelikula.
Super excited and super honored. Siyempre, we wouldn't be able to do this without Viva. Siyempre, salamat sa tiwala. Binibigay din naman sa amin. And the pressure is there because of that alone. But then, we're super duper excited.
And when we're done here, our next stop is the Viva office where we'll be shooting our look test.
Based on their looks, mukhang ibang-iba talaga ang magiging characters nila for their next film. And from their makeover, samahan din natin ang mga bidang bagets sa kanilang look test for the movie Talk Back and You're Dead.
Hi guys, this is Yasi and right now, si Audrey de la Cruz. Ready na kami for a look test. We're in our school uniform. We're sporting the cute pants, Sailor Moonish look. So, we have high socks and then heels and then school uniform. Hair ko, hindi pa siya final, but it's temporary now and we're checking it out. And you guys check out the others. I don't know, I feel so glamorous right now. Kasi diba before with Ayan, hindi ako inaayusan, I have lots of pimples, walang makeup and everything. Ngayon, curl yung hair, maganda yung outfit.
My biggest challenge with this character is to distinguish him from Cross. But, of course, I look really different from Cross right now. Gray eyes, different hair, black, and it does help. I feel like a completely different person.
But nervous at the same time.
Can't wait to get started, really. So excited to play the characters, and I know you guys will love it, so we're excited.
And finally, as we near the end of our show, pumili na naman ako ng paborito kong photo for my